In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a misplaced preview window, set up dual screens, and get a clean full screen preview. If your preview window has drifted somewhere unexpected or panels look scrambled, don't worry. Start at the very top menu and open Workspace, choose Reset UI Layout. This command restores the interface to its default arrangement, bringing the preview back to its standard spot and rebalancing the panels. It won't change your project or media. It only tidies up the layout so you can see everything where it's supposed to be. If you want to move the preview to another screen, keep working in the same menu. Go to Workspace, then Dual Screen, and switch it on. As soon as you enable Dual Screen, the interface is allowed to span across two monitors, which is perfect if you like your timeline on one display and your viewer on the other. If you don't see a change, make sure both monitors are connected and recognized by your system, then try the toggle again. Next, decide where the preview should live by choosing primary display. You'll find this option inside Workspace as well. Pick the monitor you prefer as the main screen for the preview. This helps you control exactly which display shows your viewer, so you can dedicate your better calibrated or larger monitor to image evaluation while keeping tools and timelines on the secondary screen. When you need to check details without distractions, use a quick full screen toggle. Press Ctrl+F on Windows or CMD+F on Mac to switch the preview into full screen and press it again to return. This is great for judging focus, framing, and color without interface overlays. It works during playback too, so you can monitor motion and find detail at a glance. If you're using the studio version, you have one more powerful option. Go to Workspace and choose Video Clean Feed to send the preview to a second monitor. Clean Feed outputs a dedicated, overlay-free image designed for confidence viewing, so you're not looking at toolbars or grids, just the picture. Select the target display from the submenu, and when you're done, return to the same place to turn it off. It's especially useful if you're presenting to a client or reviewing on a calibrated screen. With these options, Reset UI Layout, Dual Screen On, Primary Display, the Full Screen Toggle, and Video Clean Feed in Studio, you'll always know how to find, move, and refine your preview for the clearest possible view of your work.